Welcome once again to What's New in O Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Lionel, Menards, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains will be producing a large number of exclusive products for Mr. Muffin's trains. First up is a custom-run Legacy S2 steam turbine locomotive in unique U.S. Army colors honoring General Douglas MacArthur. The model will be decorated in a similar fashion to the previously released U.S. Army Legacy triplex locomotive. The model is expected to arrive in late 2025 and carries an early order price of $1259.99. Next up is an exclusive Legacy unlettered Heisler steam locomotive. The model is expected to arrive in late 2025 and carries an early order price of $1529.99. And next up are exclusive and limited edition Legacy A6 steam locomotives available from Mr. Muffin's Trains, decorated as Pennsylvania number 7002, Monon number 390, and, if there are enough pre-orders, Monon number 391. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025, and the pre-order price is $899.99 each. Next up is an exclusive and limited edition Lionel Legacy Trainmaster Diesel, decorated as Norfolk & Western number 171. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025, and the pre-order price is $584.99 each. Next are exclusive and limited edition Legacy FA2 diesels, available from Mr. Muffin's Trains, decorated in a rare Louisville and Nashville scheme, plus New York Central and New Haven. FA2 sets in AA configuration have a pre-order price of $1079.99. Legacy FB2 non-powered units with super bass sounds have a pre-order price of $494.99 each. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025. And Lionel will also be producing exclusive and limited edition Legacy GP35 diesels in Ann Arbor and Sioux Line colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025 and have a pre-order price of $584.99 each. Lionel Trains will also be producing an exclusive 3-pack of O-scale PS1 boxcars commemorating the United States Space Force for Legacy Station. The 3 boxcars would make an excellent match for the Legacy Station's previously announced Vision Line Commodore Vanderbilt steamer in Space Force colors. The cars are expected to arrive in late 2025 and have an early order price of $369.99 for the 3-car set. Lionel Trains will also be producing an exclusive and limited edition Trump track cleaning car for Legacy Station. The models are expected to arrive in the third quarter of 2025 and have an early order price of $138. Menards lighted track bumpers with 5-inch O-gauge straight track are back in stock. The 2-packs are available online for $7.99 while supplies last. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 O-gauge Rail King depressed center flat car with transformer load in 6 color schemes next summer. Available road names include General Electric, U.S. Army, NASA, Union Pacific, TTX, and Con Edison. Each item will be limited in production and expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers by July 2025. The suggested retail price is $64.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-gauge number 193 water tower in Weirton steel colors for Patrick's Trains. The tower will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2025. The early order price is $74.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-gauge 4-bay hopper decorated for Cheerwine exclusively for the train loft. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in March 2025. The early order price is $64.95 each. And MTH Trains will be producing an exclusive F7 AB set in Louisville and Nashville gray colors and 2 road number sets for Mr. Muffin's Trains. This is in addition to the previously announced F7 pair in L&N's blue scheme. The models are expected to arrive in May 2025 and have an early order price of $679.95 for the set. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.